Here I've got RUGGEAR RG850 and let me show you how to locate IMEI and serial number on the following device. So actually you have two methods. Let's start with the first one. Smoothly open the phone dialer and then enter a secret code, which is *pound 06 pound. And as you can see, right after that you will be provided with both IMEI numbers assigned to your device, to your RUGGEAR. Click on OK to go back, and it's time to discover the second method of locating IMEI numbers. Smoothly open list of all applications at first, then choose Settings, scroll down to the very bottom of the list and click on System. Here you should pick About Phone, and now go to Status. And here under IMEI information, you will be able to check both IMEI numbers and then go back to the previous window, and a bit lower you will be also able to check serial number. So that would be all, so you can check what your serial and IMEI numbers are. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.